Hé, de motor rijdt al.
Ja. Ze hebben met een haak opgevist.
Oh ja. Wait, what? Why? Why is this important? To find your outboard engine near your own boat. Well, in previous episode I mentioned we had a mild storm. It was fierce enough to break 3 scepters from the boat, one even with the polyester and all. In the back it forced a hole in the stern, while we think the orange taxi boat pushed or hit the swimming ladder, it forced a hole in the stern, just above the waterline. So the boat wasn't sinking. The bigger problem was that it also pushed off my brand new second-hand perfect little outboard engine, which I really want as a secondary engine, just for when the inboard 45-year-old ferryman gives up, which is unlikely because they are built as a tank, but still. So now my outboard was on the bottom of the water. We tried to fish it back up with the line retriever, stick and pedals and whatnot, but we didn't feel nothing on the bottom with low tide. We could reach the bottom though. Still, now we arrived and saw the engine laying on there, on the dock. we didn't know what to think, but the stick with the hook was laying right next to it, so we had a clue. The problem that the engine is laying on the bottom of the water had only one solution. I had to go find a new outboard engine or just do the last few miles only with inboard. On to find a secondary outboard engine I went. Underway to get a new outboard engine. I found a few, all very expensive and not really trustworthy. After a while my eye catched this Evinrude 9.9 horsepower 2-stroke engine for €500, which is around $550 US. I was sure I could knock down the price, way down, so I called him and we made an appointment. He was prepared to let me see the engine running. The great thing and the bad thing was that the engine didn't start it. Damn and yay at the same time. No, it's a gamble, although these little engines are almost indestructible and still was worth the gamble. We knocked the price halfway down, so off we went to Yves, who you remember from the first part of this crazy journey. He lives right next to a fishing pond, where we can lower the engine and test him. Nothing at start, but Yves explained that airtight fuel lines are number one key of these outboard engines. So we used his fuel lines and bam, full throttle he went. Great, but the problem arose, he wasn't cooling. That meant one thing, impeller replacement, here we go again. Voilà les deux. Wat zegt ze? Ja, dat is hier al vast. Ja, dat brandt er nou. Down. En met vaatfase. oké. Ah, daar is.
Voilà.
Goed zo. Dat heb ik goed gedaan.
Ja, maar je moet wel met de kapers boven zitten. Ja.
Dat is het eerste stukje van het filmpje dat ik kan gebroken. Zit vast.
Allee, waarschijnlijk.
Bought it second hand, but there was only one sandpaper with it, so and I broke it like the first 5 minutes. But I have this one ordered from China. Whoa, they're way too short. What? It's for sure wrong. That's a fact. Crap. Ik heb natte voeten gekregen, jongen. Wow! Dat zou wel grappig zijn. Hoe voel ik zo? Wow, is hem los nou?